Earth observation is changing. The large number of newly in orbit and planned spaceborne hyperspectral imagers such as EnMAP, PRISMA, the Planet Tanager constellation, and SPG, among many others, require spatially representative CalVal data. With the overarching goal of building public trust in Earth observation, new approaches are required to maximize the quality of the data. When properly implemented, drone-based hyperspectral systems have the potential to expand the spatial representativeness of ultra-high resolution imagery over conventional field spectroscopy at a fractional cost of manned aerial campaigns. The agricultural drone market is driving innovation in heavy lift systems that can follow accurate and precise flight plans and pass rigorous safety and performance testing. We selected the DJI Agras T30 to test its potential as a heavy lift drone for advanced hyperspectral applications, such as the validation of spaceborne imagery. The T30 is a smart agricultural spraying drone designed to carry a liquid payload of 30 kilograms. In flight, it is an exceptionally stable drone, essential for hyperspectral push-broom sensors to acquire raw imagery with less motion-induced noise. Its design characteristics consider the complex motion of a liquid within a container, minimizing the adverse effects on flight performance and safety. The straight, parallel, evenly spaced flight lines used for agricultural spraying are inherently similar to what is needed for the collection of hyperspectral imagery. Members of the Applied Remote Sensing Laboratory from McGill University and the Aerospace Research Centre at the National Research Council of Canada modified the payload of the T30 to carry a NEO Hyspex Mjolnir VS-620 full-range hyperspectral sensor. We followed a design and fabrication approach to remove the pumps, agricultural sprayers, and replace the liquid tank with a solid plate that acts as an antenna and payload battery base and mount for a vibration isolator and large gimbal needed to stabilize the sensor. After extensive testing, we found our system removed over 88% of the vibration generated by the propellers. Wind tunnel flight stability tests revealed the T30 with its hyperspectral payload was able to maintain its position at wind speeds far greater than the manufacturer's stated wind speed maximum. Finally, the T30 was ready for its maiden data collection at our main test site at the Mare Bleue peatland near Ottawa, Ontario, Canada, on a day with coincidental satellite imagery from EnMAP, the German hyperspectral satellite mission. The Mare Bleue peatland is a well-studied CEOS satellite land product validation supersite with continuous monitoring by researchers from several universities worldwide. Peatlands cover 11% of Canada's land area and are essential in climate change mitigation. During flight, a second team collected baseline data from known reflectance panels to assess the quality of the VS-620 imagery. Our new low-altitude advanced hyperspectral drone system can fly long enough to collect data over 2.3 hectares, totaling to more than 500,000 spectra with 390 bands in a single flight. These data would take over 868 hours to collect with a field spectrometer. Check out the link in the description below to download our paper on this T30 hyperspectral sensor integration, or check out the ARSL website to see other exciting research done by our lab.